Hi spiritual sisters, it's Roselena and welcome back to my channel. So if you've clicked the video, then you already know we are here today to discuss the topic of glamour magic. We'll talk about what is glamour magic, how to create glamour magic, and how to take the first steps in becoming a glamour witch today. So if you're interested in this topic, then just stay tuned. I've already made a glamour magic makeup ritual that I recommend checking out, and I'll leave in the description. But this video today is going to discuss the overall topic of glamour magic and what it is. Glamour magic is a form of illusionary magic which is used in witchcraft in order to cast visual signs to make the changes you want. And you are casting these illusions that are gonna focus on affecting all the people involved and tapping in on a mental, emotional, and a spiritual level. You are using the ability to alter the way people perceive you. You are using the ability to change the way you see yourself. So that is why witches are usually doing the magic on themselves in order to embody traits. We do these type of spells in order to unearth and unleash our magnetism. So there really is a strong connection to the divine feminine when doing these practices. All the steps in your ritual is in order to access parts of yourself that you may have trouble conquering on your own. That being feelings of self-confidence, power, or bravery in general, or feelings of seduction, mystery, or allure. So using the practices of glamour magic allows you to really become a chameleon and step into a different energy. Your alter ego energy, your higher self energy, your witchy energy. So that way from your magic, you can alter the way people respond to you. You can change their perceptions of you, and their whole vision of you can change. That's the best thing for you, because once you're stepping into the I am energy and doing the I am actions, then you are doing the magic on your own life and becoming a physical manifestation of your own desire. Using glamour magic in this way helps people perceive you the way you want them to perceive you. So you are creating subliminal hints to attract what you want. But also in the same instance, you could use glamour magic in the opposite way as a form of camouflage or protection energy and becoming the chameleon that I mentioned. So at times that is the balance we do need. The vibe for today may vary on any given day, and you never know what side of yourself you're gonna tap into. So it's not all about standing out, but you could also use it as a shield. Glamour magic certainly awakens your potential and awakens your gifts. You are changing the energy around you in order to change others' perceptions of you. So when experimenting with glamour magic, keep in mind it is something that should be layered with other workings, because I don't see glamour magic on its own enough to yield a full working for that thing you are trying to manifest. But like I said, I do believe it is great to layer with other spells and have fun. Just use it in addition with other workings to be safe on all levels and reinforce what you're wanting. But you as a witch have these tools and you can use them in whatever way you best see fit. It's not only one aspect. it's not just for women. It's not just hair and makeup, but there is lots of ways to do it. For example, the way you adorn yourself with jewelry and accessories, or your clothing style and aesthetic, or your smell, which is one of the biggest nonverbal communications you could give off. Hairstyles are a great accessory, and I highly recommend self-care spells of any kind. So skincare, hair care, health and nutrition. So for all of those aspects and more, you'll just be using what you have in your day-to-day routine. And that's all you really need to practice this. Ideally, sprinkling into your daily life works best because it becomes more natural for you over time, but you could also use it as a ritual or a ceremony. If it's a special occasion like a birthday or a haircut or a declutter or a feng shui, a graduation, like whatever you are doing, magic is what you make it. I definitely plan on making more videos about the different types of glamour magic and going in depth with routines and more information, so definitely stay tuned for that. In closing, I just wanted to say that a powerful fuel in magic is desire, ladies. So the whole concept of glamour magic is to show the world what you want them to see in you. Definitely stay tuned for more glamour magic videos so you can learn how to add glamour into your own personal practice. And until the next one, bye.